Hello, welcome back to Lytical. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So, we are solving 2 over the square root of 2 minus 1 all exponent 6. We have to simplify this expression. So, first of all, these 2 over square root of 2 minus 1, we can rationalize this. So to rationalize this, we are going to get 2 on square root of 2 minus 1, okay, multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1 on square root of 2 plus 1, okay. We are using this method because it is very simple and easy to understand. We have a lot of methods of which you can use to solve this particular kind of question, but it is very long. So let's use this one. See? So we are going to get, when you rationalize this, we are going to get 2 into bracket 2, so square root of 2 plus 1 over, then this one I'm going to get square root of 2 minus 1 bracket close, square root of 2 minus plus 1 bracket close. Okay. So from here, let's tackle square root of 2 minus 1 and then square root of 2 plus 1 first. So this is going to give us 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So our expression now becomes 2 into bracket square root of 2 plus 1 all over 1 like this. Okay, so you're going to get 2 into bracket square root of 2 plus 1 all exponent 6. Okay, so now we are back to our main question. We introduce the exponent. So we are going to get 2 exponent 6 multiplying by square root of 2 plus 1 or exponent 6. Okay, and we know that 2 exponent 6 is easy, so 2 exponent 6 we are getting 64 multiplying by square root of 2 plus 1 or exponent 6. Okay, so now let's try to solve this one first. Let's use a simple binomial. Okay, so we say that let our a is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. Okay, so then our a squared is going to be square root of 2 plus 1 all squared. Okay, which is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 2 plus 1 in this case. Okay, so for last simplification, we're going to get 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Now, a exponent 4 is the same as a squared exponent 2. Okay, so now we know a squared, okay, which is 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Okay, that is a squared. Then exponent 2. Okay, so we are going to get 9 plus 12 square root of 2 plus 8. Okay, which is equal to 8 plus 9. We are getting 17 plus 12 square root of 2. Okay, let's continue from here. So now we have a exponent 4 to be 17 plus 12 square root of 2. Okay, then our a exponent 6 is equal to a exponent 4 multiplied by a exponent 2. Okay, this is simple algebra. So now our a exponent 4, which is 17 plus 12 square root of 2. Okay, then our a exponent 3, we had 3 plus 2, which is 3 plus 2 exponent 2, like this. So now we are going to multiply these two expressions together. So by using distribution method, we are going to get, so it's going to be 17 multiplied by 3 plus 17 multiplied by 2 square root of 2, and then plus 12 square root of 2 multiplied by 3 plus 12 square root of 2 multiplying by 2 square root of 2, like this. So which we are going to get 17 times 3 is 54 plus this one we are going to get 34 square root of 2, then plus 3 times this is 36 square root of 2 plus now 12 times 2 is 24, and square root of 2 times 2 is 2. So 24 times 2, we are getting 48. Okay. Now let's simplify it further. So this we are going to get 54 plus 48 plus, then we have 34 plus 36 all into bracket, then square root of 2. Okay. Now 54 plus 48, 99 plus this 34 plus 36 is 70. So 70 square root of 2. Okay. Now let's not forget that our original expression, it was 64 multiplied by square root of 2 plus 1 or exponent 6. This was the original expression. Now, this is what we have been expressing so far. Square root of 2 plus 1 or exponent 6. So, we are going to get 64 multiplied by bracket 99 plus 70 square root of 2, like this. Okay. So we are going to get 64 multiplied by 99 plus 64 multiplied by 70 square root of 2. 64 times 99, we are getting 6336 plus 64 times 70, we are getting 4180 square root of 2. Okay, so when you look at this is the simplest form we can leave our expression. So our answer is 6336 plus 4480 square root of 2. So this is our final answer for the expression. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.